G'day cocktail lovers. This is another cocktail that I saw on the Punch Drink website where they're saying, could this be the next modern classic? Maybe, maybe not. This is a variation on a whiskey sour. You can see it's got a nice presentation style that I'll take you through exactly how to get it. So I do like it from a purely presentation point of view. It's a Scotch based cocktail. They recommend a blended Scotch. I looked through my collection and I don't actually have a blended Scotch here, I just have a single malt. First world bartender problems. This also has a little bit of pimento dram, also known as allspice dram, which is always a welcome addition to a cocktail in my book, and a little bit of cherry liqueur, which is what you see at the bottom there. And I'll explain how we do that. Like I said, I did promise, I'll keep my promises, but I do want to taste this one first. I'm a bit of a fan of this, I have to admit. Let me show you how to make it. In a shaker, put 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of Scotch whiskey, then 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils of lemon juice, then half an ounce or 15 mils of honey syrup, and 1/4 of an ounce of allspice or pimento dram. Add ice to the shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then I'm straining that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of sexy clear ice. And the final touch is to pour 1/4 of an ounce of cherry liqueur over the top of the ice and let it run down to the bottom of the glass. Besides looking kind of cool, doing this with the cherry liqueur is going to mean the drink will change flavour as you drink it through. You'll get a little bit of the cherry liqueur in the first part of the drink, but as you get further, it's going to be more and more cherry liqueur, which is certainly interesting. It remains to be seen whether A, I like it, B, this will actually become a modern classic, but it's a nice variation on a whiskey sour. That was actually the first cocktail that got me into cocktails many years ago, a whiskey sour, and I really enjoyed it, and I've never really looked back. This is quite different to my first one, but I am going to sit down with it. I hope you're looking after yourself wherever you are, and I hope you come back to see me again soon for some more cocktail adventures and maybe even some more candidates for next modern classic. I'm going down with the Wildest Redhead. That sounded a little bit ruder than I intended it to. That was unintentional. Whoops, I'm going to have a drink. I'll see you later. Cheers.